There was once a wise old monk named Zendo who lived in a small village. He was known for his calm and peaceful nature, and people would often come to him for advice. One day, a young man from the village came to Zendo, frustrated and upset. "Master Zendo, I've been insulted by someone in the village," he exclaimed. "What was said to you, my son?" Zendo asked gently. The young man's face reddened with anger. "Someone called me a foolish donkey. They said I'm stupid and will never amount to anything." Zendo listened patiently, his expression unchanged. "And did these words change who you are as a person?" he asked. The young man thought for a moment, then shook his head. "No, they didn't change anything about me." Zendo nodded. "Exactly. No one can insult you without your consent. Their words have no power over you unless you choose to give them power. Remember, you are not defined by the opinions of others. You are defined by how you choose to react to them." The young man felt a weight lift off his shoulders as he understood the wisdom of Zendo's words. From that day on, he made a conscious effort to ignore the insults of others and focus on his own inner peace. And so, the story spread throughout the village. "No one can insult you" became a mantra for the people, reminding them that they had the power to choose how they reacted to the words of others. How would you take it when someone insults you? Let me know in the comments. If you want to bring positive change into your life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Easy Life. Let's make life easy.